Okay, we're going to show you the difference between green frogs and bullfrogs. A green frog is going to have lateral fold runs the length of a back on the green frog, and there's two of them. On the bullfrog, it just would run around like that. And then if we want to try to find if this is a male or a female, we go by this. On the male frog, it's twice as big as the eye, so this is most likely a male. A female, it would be about the same size. It's funny, every time I want to turn the bull, he's moving. He's very much into the camera. And then the underside is quite yellow. It has webbed feet. What we have here are green frog tadpoles. And how you can tell this between a bullfrog, if you can see in the water, there are no spots. The bullfrog has little spots, like little tiny spots on their tails. As you can see on these, the pattern on the tail is like a black molten pattern on the last 2/3 of the tail. The fin is long with a low arch, and it's a wider body. These green frog tadpoles can take 2 years to transform, and they're present throughout the year. So these are definitely from last year, and they'll probably turn into frogs this year.